Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to rebuild this burner, propane burner. This has boiled a lot of lobster, salt water. He's eaten up all the metal on it, so we're going to get some new angle iron. We're going to build a whole new piece, 16 by 16 square. I think we might even make it a little taller. We'll just see what kind of material we got, and we're going to go from there. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to set up. I'm going to cut 4 pieces, 16 inches long. I'm going to put 45 on it. We're going to get to use the slugger. Alrighty, we like the slugger. Can I get you to hold this other side there, Darren?
Slugger.
Slugger up.
Slugger.
This is so solid, it's just unreal. Hard to believe. And if we plug ourselves in, it'll help.
This Bluetooth's not working.
The Bluetooth power control. Hate that when that happens. All right, take 2. Let's cut the butter. And it's not hot. Amazing, eh? Let's cut. Alright, so what do you think? You want to go higher? So we can get, so if you want to go 16 inches. Bit higher. Pat and Darren Comedy Hour. All right, we got the main frame all squared up. So what we're going to do, you can tack the legs into it like that. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. That will stiffen up our corner. So let's put a
tack the bottom.
Let's put a 1 a 1-inch bead right there. Now stiffen that up and do one there. We'll do all 4 corners.
Not a good welder.
You want me to do it? I'm not much better.
I'll try. Bad for bubble gum.
Well, that way our angle will sit.
Not used to this one.
Just like that. Perfect. Now I show them something there. Second here, second. So what I did is I ground the little corner off of this because he put weld in the corner that gives us a chance to sit square. So put these legs in. Squares kind of give us packer here, there, we're good. Let me set up the camera shot here of the welded. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Welder, no, I'm not a welder.
Nice. All right. So there's the burner that we're replacing. Right there, it's like you can see it's all rusted out. And here's our little masterpiece. Took us a couple hours hanging the burner in there. I think it'll work pretty good. He'll probably clean her up a little more. Maybe he'll do some more welding, we don't know. Anyway, it's gonna work out pretty good. This is my cousin Darren. Hi Darren. Anyway, this is a little job on a Saturday, and we got her all done. And maybe I'll get a little bit of syrup out of it. I'm gonna start boiling syrup here pretty soon. The weather's awesome. And the sap is running. How many gallons you got so far?
Probably about 25 or 30.
25 gallons. 45 gallons to make 1 gallon of syrup is roughly what they say. 45 to 1. All right, so we're gonna clean up here, get the tools back in the shop, and then we're gonna go up to the house, maybe find a hot tub. I think I ordered one. Anyway, until the next adventure, later.